As I approach the front of my truck has no leaks. It's not leaning to the side. If it's leaning to the side, it means it has a suspension problem, a low shift, or a flat tire. 5 lights on top. It's amber in color. None are cracked, broken, or missing. 3 in the inner are for identification. 2 on the outer are for clearance. My hood is securely attached, not cracked, broken, or missing. My grille, free of debris, not cracked, broken, or missing. My bumper, securely attached, not hanging. My license plate, securely attached, free of debris. As I walk over to my passenger side, my hood latch is securely attached to vehicle and working order. My hood mirror, securely attached to vehicle, not cracked, broken, or missing. My 4-way directional light, amber in color, not cracked, broken, or missing. My high and low beam, clear in color, not cracked, broken, or missing. Walk over to my driver's side. My hood latch, securely attached to vehicle and working order. My hood mirror, securely attached to vehicle, not cracked, broken, or missing. My 4-way directional light, amber in color, not cracked, broken, or missing. My high and low beam, clear in color, not cracked, broken, or missing. I would then open up the hood of the engine and walk back over to the passenger side. My alternator is a belt-driven device, securely attached to vehicle, not cracked, broken, or missing. Belt not worn or ripped and has no more than 3/4 inch of play. Wires not cut, frayed, or missing. My washer fluid reservoir, securely mounted, not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. Hoses not missing or leaking. Cap is in the lock position. I will fill by removing the cap. Then I walk over to my driver's side. My compressor is a gear-driven device, securely mounted to vehicle, not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. Hoses in and out are intact and leak-free. My air bundles, in place, not cracked, broken, or missing, and has no audible leaks. My power steering pump is a gear-driven device. It's securely mounted, not cracked, broken, or missing. All hoses not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. My power steering reservoir has a sight glass with a fill line, securely mounted to vehicle. Hoses not broken or leaking. I would fill as needed by opening the top. My water pump is a belt-driven device, not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. Belt not worn or ripped. Belt has no more than 3/4 inch of play. Hose is securely attached and leak-free. My coolant reservoir has a sight glass with fill line, securely mounted to vehicle. Not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. Hoses are intact and free of leaks. I will wait until my truck is cooled to add coolant and fill as needed. My oil, I would check with the dipstick. I will pull out, wipe off, put back in, pull out, and check the level. I would add oil as needed by opening the reservoir cap. My steering shaft, securely mounted to the vehicle, not broken or bent, has no excessive play, held to steering gearbox by 2 universal joints, and is fully greased. My steering gearbox and hoses, securely mounted to the vehicle, free of breaks and leaks, connected to the pitman arm. My pitman arm, drag link, steering knuckle, and tie rod are all securely mounted, not broken or bent, attached with castle nuts and cotter pins. All components are fully greased. My front axle, my suspension, my leaf spring hanger is in place, not broken or cracked. My leaf spring is securely mounted, not cracked, broken, or missing, held in place by 2 U-bolts and 4 nuts. My shock absorber is securely mounted, not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. My brakes, my brake chamber, securely mounted, not dented or leaking. Hoses not cracked, broken, missing, or leaking. My push rod and slack adjuster is securely mounted and work in order, not cracked, broken, or leaking. Held together by pins and keys, and has no more than 1-inch play when brakes are released. My brake drum has no holes, cracks, illegal welds, grease, or oil. Brake pads not dangerously thin. My tires, my front tires cannot be recapped. They must be virgin tires, evenly worn, at least 4 32nd inch tread. I will test with a test gauge. My sidewalls has no bubbles, gouges, or dry rot, and is beaded to the rim. My rim is not bent, broken, or has illegal welds. The lug nuts are tight, has no metal shavings or loose rust. My axle hub is not leaking or broken. If it was, I would fix immediately. My valve stem is intact, has a metal cap, not leaking, and can use tire pressure gauge to test pressure. At this point, I will close my hood.